everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique. Today I have a letter. This is to Barbara, and this is from, let me see, we have to look because Barbara's got some admirers. This is from Jimmy, and he did not write his return address. He's been trying to get a hold of Barbara for Barbara to write him, and Barbara is kind of ignoring him, but I know that Barbara has a couple different admirers, so maybe this is why. But poor Jimmy. Jimmy needs some letters because he's been in the hospital and Barbara will not write him. Let's read the letter and find out what's going on. Okay, so this is October 18, 1951, and on the top it says no letter. My darling Barbara. My darling Barbara, I have nothing to do today but lay in bed, so I thought I would write you. It's cold outside, and I can see the wind blowing through the trees. To come down to the point, I want you to find out something for me. It's about a girl, a beautiful girl. It all started one night after a game when Southside played Holmes. She was happier than I had ever seen her before. I turned and looked at her as she was looking at me in a funny way. Then in that moment, she kissed me. Oh, Barbara. She kissed me with a kiss that was like she had found something that had never been lost. It hit me in such a way it rattled my teeth. Who was this that kissed me? I opened my eyes, and sure enough, it was you. There you were, looking into my eyes with that look I had never seen in girls' eyes before. Somebody please write me a hot letter for once. Whew. Was this real or was this a dream? Then she kissed me again. It was like no dream. Yes, it was real as could be. I thought to myself, at last I have found what I wanted. Everything I had ever asked for was right there before me. It said it loved me, and a tear ran down my cheek. It was the most beautiful tear I had ever seen. It had a sparkle all of its own. And those beautiful eyes that were met and that were looking into mine, it said it again, I love you. My head went into the clouds. It never came down. I felt like a kid, and it was every wish I had ever come true. This before me was real, alive, warm, and mine. After that night, I lost her, and where was she? Where did she go? Or was this truly a dream? Barbara, will she ever come back? I love that girl. I want to see her again. So tell me, will she be there when I come home? Barbara, if you don't marry this man, I don't know. Oh, I think I'd walk to his place and marry him. Don't let this one go. Or is she gone with that dream? If she won't be, then I'll trouble you as little as I can, because that is the only girl I want to see when I come home. And that won't be long. So find out for me. Will you write, tell me? Will she, won't she be there to see me? With all my love, Jimmy. You are a very lucky woman, Barbara. I hope Jimmy had someone waiting for him when he got home. Well, that's it for now. If you like these letters, make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. Or if there's an area that you would like me to find for you. Bye for now, everybody.